हॉलीवुड एक्टर ब्रैड पिट ने कर दिया है केस अपनी एक्स वाइफ एंजेलिना जोली पर ओवर अ वाइनरी सेल. Well, Brad Pitt has filed a new legal action against Angelina Jolie over their shared Chateau Miraval winery. Well, the dispute stems from Jolie's 2021 sale of her stake, with Pitt's team submitting fresh court documents. और अब actor Brad Pitt has taken fresh legal action against ex-wife Angelina Jolie amid their ongoing dispute over the Chateau Miraval, the French winery the two once co-owned. और अब इस केस में नया डेवलपमेंट आया है in their legal battle, which involves Pitt suing Jolie in connection with her 2021 sale of her stake in the French winery. Well, this action follows the submission of new documents by Pitt's legal team aiming to address issues surrounding the transaction. पर लोगों की माने तो the documents filed in court by Pitt's representatives include evidence of communications between Jolie's team and other parties involved in the sale, and these communications are intended to clarify the circumstances under which Jolie transferred her ownership interest in the winery. Well, Chateau Miraval was jointly purchased by Pitt and Jolie during their marriage and became a notable asset in their shared portfolio. And now disputes over the operation and sale of the winery have featured prominently in their broader legal separation. Well, the 2021 sale of Jolie's stake has been a key point of contention, with Pitt's legal team now submitting documents that allegedly show proceeded with the deal without proper consultation around the sale. Well, these new filings are the latest attempt to resolve questions about control and rights to the property following the dissolution of the couple's partnership. Well, with the precise details of the communications included in the court submissions have not been disclosed, and now the existence of new evidence may influence the trajectory of the legal proceedings, the focus remains on determining whether the terms of the sale and the obligations between the former spouses were properly fulfilled. Well, फिलहाल Chateau Miraval जो इनकी फ्रेंच वाइनरी है उस पर लीगल डिस्प्यूट तो चल ही रहा है, and both parties have continued to assert their respective claims regarding ownership and decision-making authority. The court will review the new documents as the case moves forward, with further developments expected as the matter progresses. Well, there was a time when Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt were deeply and madly in love, और अब Brad Pitt ने ही अपनी ex-wife Angelina Jolie पर कर दिया है केस. Well, अब इस केस में आगे क्या नया ट्विस्ट आता है ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा.